Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like commercial insurance is more confusing than helpful? You're not alone. Today we're talking about the 5 biggest problems with commercial insurance and how Trailstone can help you solve them. Because here's the thing, insurance should protect your business, not stress you out. So let's talk about what's broken and how we fix it. Hey everyone, Marquise here from Trailstone Insurance Group. Commercial insurance is supposed to be a safety net for your business, but survey after survey shows that most business owners, even the ones with insurance, still feel vulnerable. Why is this? Because policies are confusing, gaps go unnoticed, prices are high, claims are frustrating, and service is impersonal. That's why Trailstone Insurance Group exists. We're an independent agency and we've built our model around solving these exact issues. First thing to discuss, confusing and complex policies. Let's be real here. Insurance contracts are not written by lawyers or by business owners. A recent study found that 69% of small businesses do not understand their coverage. That's why at Trailstone, we lead with what we call the heart of a teacher. We explain policies like we're sitting on the same side of the table of you because we are. We are on your side. Our agents translate the jargon into everyday language and make sure you understand what you are purchasing. The next problem here is coverage gaps and underinsurance. These issues usually show up after it's too late. Whether you hire someone new or add a service, your risks do change. At Trailstone, we offer policies from over 40 top-rated carriers so we can mix and match to fill those specific gaps. And we schedule regular policy reviews and coach you through risk management. These strategies help you prevent problems before they happen. And here's the third problem. High costs and confusing premiums. Let's face it, insurance is expensive. And when budgets are tight, it's tempting to go with the cheapest quote. But cheap coverage usually means barely any coverage at all. We shop across dozens of carriers to find the right balance between cost and protection. We tailor deductibles, limits, and bundling strategies that make sense for your business and your cash flow. Next problem are claims. And claims can be a nightmare. You've got insurance, but when a claim hits and suddenly you're in paperwork purgatory. Trailstone acts as your advocate in the claims process, helping you document, file, and advise you on the claim itself. We're not just a broker, we're your ally when it matters most. And the last problem, many agents lack personal and proactive service. Too many agencies treat you like a number. At Trailstone, we treat you like a partner. We check in regularly, explain upcoming policy changes, and help you make smart adjustments as your business grows. And with online tools like our price estimator and annual coverage checkups, we make managing your insurance very easy. So which of these problems have you run into before? Drop us a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. At Trailstone, we believe insurance should power your business, not hold it back. We're here to advocate, educate, and make sure you're truly protected. Thank you for watching.